I want to thank Vastend for sending me this magnetic solar wireless backup camera set. This is everything that comes in the box, and it has a few options here on how to set it up. It's a magnetic backing, so it's very strong, and we're just setting it up here on the back of the truck. Also, if we want to put it higher, we set up this metal panel with some two-way sticky tape and stuck it to the back of the window of the truck. And then, because now we have a magnetic plate, we can stick the backup camera right onto this plate. This will be great for also a trailer or RV, works perfect. It has a couple antennas, so you screw those on and it's good to go. There's also an antenna on the camera for inside. So this is the solar part, and really high quality camera here. You see how nicely that just magnetized onto the magnet. The solar panel on top pivots, and it has an Allen key so that you can tighten exactly the how you want that set. So you can have it aiming however you like, and this does not move. It is set nice and strong. For inside the camera, you can plug it into your lighter, or you can also hardwire it in. It comes with two possibilities. It has this little telescopic arm, so you can pull it out a little further, and you can suction this on anywhere that fits in your car. The backup lines are great. The camera quality is fantastic, as you can see here, really nice bright colors. I'm not going to go over all the screen features, but there are tons. You can also put an SD card in so you can record anything. And the nighttime camera is fantastic as well. I highly recommend it.